Energy has different forms, which include A. Heat, B. Work, C. All of the mentioned, D. None of the mentioned. Right. Work input is directly proportional to heat, and the constant of proportionality is called A. Joule's equivalent, B. Mechanical equivalent of heat, C. All of the mentioned, D. None of the mentioned. Right. The value of constant of proportionality, J, has the value A1 B0, C minus 1 D infinity. Right. It was Joule who first established that heat is a form of energy, and thus laid the foundation of the first law of thermodynamics. A. True. B. False. C. Tilde D. Tilde. Right. Which of the following represents the energy in storage? A. Heat, B. Work, C. Internal energy, D. None of the mentioned. Right. By first law of thermodynamics, A equals delta E W, B equals delta E plus W, C equals minus delta E W, D equals minus delta E plus W. Right. The expression sigma cycle equals sigma cycle applies only to systems undergoing cycles. A. True. B. False. C. Tilde D. Tilde. Right. Which of the following is the first law for a closed system undergoing a cycle? A. dW equals dq. B. J dW equals dq. C. dW equals J dq. D. None of the mentioned. Right. Which of the following can be considered as the definition of energy? A equals delta E plus W, B Q equals delta E, C first law of thermodynamics. D. All of the mentioned. Right. The first law of thermodynamics gives only the change on energy delta E for the process. A. True. B. False. C. Tilde D. Tilde. Right.